Good morning, students. Let us see question number 6. Okay. So the question number 6 is there are three friends. One name is Ankur, second one is Syed, and third one is David. So these three friends are playing in a circle. Okay. Such that the distance between Ankur and Syed, Syed and David and Ankur is all the distance are same. And OA is the radius and it is given length is 20 centimeter. So radius of the circle is given 20 centimeter. Now we have to find what is the length of the string, or you can say with which they are playing distance. Okay. So we have to find the length. That means we have to find the length of AS, or we can say length of SD, or we can say DA, as because all are same, the length of all these three sides, as you can see this is triangle, na? All are same. So now if a triangle have all the sides equal, we call them as the equilateral triangle. So triangle whose all the sides are equal, such triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Now the radius is given to us, that is 20. So we can write OA equal to 20 centimeter. Now what we'll do, we will extend this line from the center O. So let us extend it up to, suppose say X. Now this line will be the median. Remember, huh? In an equilateral triangle, if I draw from one vertex to the other base, then that line becomes the median. Means these two parts will be equal. So we can say Sx is equal to xd. You can write as equation number 1. Now as all the sides are equal, equilateral triangle, let us take as x. So let us take AS equal to SD equal to DA equal to x, say suppose. Okay. Now remember, this OA is bigger than OX. Remember, whenever we have an equilateral triangle, then this OA is always 2/3 of the OX. So remember, OA is equal to 2/3 of AX. This is very important one, okay? In an equilateral triangle, this one, OA will be equal to 2/3 of AX and OX is equal to 1/3 of AX. Remember, OA is equal to 2/3 of AX and OX is equal to 1/3 of AX. This point you remember nicely. Okay, this is only applicable in case of a equilateral triangle. So what I got, OA equal to 2/3 of AX. Now let us take this triangle AXS. AXX. So in this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So AS square is equal to SX square plus AX. Now what is the value of AS? AS we have taken as X. Then comes SX. Now SX means this line is half of this one. SX is half of SD. Got it clear? I told you it's a median, na? So equal part. So Sx is equal to half of SD. So half of SD what we have taken as x. So what we can write? Okay. So x square equal to now you see here this will be now x square by 4 plus ax square. So x square by 4 being the left hand side. So if you take LCM you will get 4. So 4x square minus x square. So what you will get? 3x square by 4 is equal to x square. So or we can write like this: ax square equal to 3x square by 4. So ax is equal to root over 3x square by 4. So we will get root 3. Now this x square and root will go, so we will get x. So square root of 4 is 2. So how much I got? Ax. Ax I got as root 3 into x by 2. So now we have to find the value of, okay, what I got now? Ax. Now let us find the value of OA. So we can take this one. So Ax I got, okay, remember this one I got. Now if I can get this one S, so bring it down x. Now OA is equal to 2 by 3 Ax. Now how much I got now? OA. Now see OA radius is given, that is how much? 20. So 2 by 3 into Ax. Ax is now root 3 by 2 into x. So these two can be cancelled. So 20 equal to root 3 by 3 into x. So 3 into 20 is 60. So 60 equal to root 3 x. So how much I will get? X equal to 60 by root 3. So x value I got as, how much I got as 60 by root 3. So the length of the string, or we can say the length of these three equal sides will be how much? 60 by 50. So this answer is 60 by root 3. This is also 60 by root 3. This is also 60 by 3. So this is also very important question. All of you practice it nicely, okay? Thank you.